Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen, Meals with Mills. In this episode I will be making Miki Eleni, which is one of my favorite Samoan food. So our ingredients, we've got coconut cream, tin fish, tayo, salt and black pepper. I've got a lime here that I'll be adding to the Miki, avocado, cucumber, some lemon too, red onions, chilli, tomatoes, and coriander. Okay, let's start cutting our veggies. I'll start with the cucumber. The original Miki Eleni in the island, it's just lots of fresh coconut cream, Eleni, tin fish, and lots of onions. And then some people add chilies and some people don't. They just leave it plain. So all of that goes in here. Okay. Bread, just add that in. Add the rest of the pepe, coconut cream. It's time for us to add our lime. Okay. Stir it around. And more of the salt and pepper. Tiny bit of that chili. I think it's a good amount of chili to knock me out while I'm eating this, but I love it. I might add more lemons. Dish, Miki Eleni with heaps of veggies. I'm going to dish it now for me to serve and taste. Okay, so that's our final dish. Okay, families and friends, that is the end of our video. Thank you so much for watching this video of me making the Miki Eleni. I hope you enjoy this recipe. And if you are new to my channel, I appreciate you visiting the channel and sharing the love. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you again in the next video. Thanks again for watching and for viewing all the videos. In the meantime, take care, be safe, stay blessed, and I will catch up with you in the next video. See you later. Bye bye.